Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I usually do a December daily. Instead of doing a video and showing it to you every day, I am just doing a week's worth. And I wasn't going to do one this year, but Diamond asked me, Mom, are you doing your December daily? And I'm like, I wasn't going to. She goes, I like looking through them. So here it is. So I use this material that I got. It's red trucks. I love red trucks. I think the last two are red trucks. And then I bought this sequin from, actually the materials from L's Bima, as well as the sequin. It's like elastic. And I cut it to fit around the book. And then I have this Dollar Tree ornament. I put that on there. And I put 2021 on it so they know that this goes with this one when it's done. And I don't remember where I got this album, but that's what I decided to use. And then when you open it, it's got 4 little rings. I just put December Daily 2021, so the year's on it somewhere. And oh, this is a left piece of fabric. I put it in there because I think I'll make a tag or something. And it says Christmas 2021. And I decorated, the pieces in here were chipboard. I think there was like 6 or 7 of them, or it could have been more. I only used the front one of them and the back one. And the rest I used paper. So, it's a picture of my Christmas tree. And I just decorated it. And then on this side, I always write a message for my family. And I'm going to cover that because there's something personal. Sometimes there's a little personal in there. But I just wanted to show that I just found a piece of paper that had a red truck, and I write a message to my family that they can read down the road. So then Sabrina got me this material that had the numbers across, and I thought it was so cute. So I've been cutting out the numbers and using it. And like I do, simple as whatever I'm doing that day, I'll take a picture. And then I kind of write about it. Like, we went out for breakfast on the 1st with Diamond and Allie. And me and Allie have whipped cream on top of our lips from our hot chocolate. So we had Diamond take a picture. That's a picture of my breakfast. And right now I'm doing the 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina. So I'm taking a picture of them daily. And I've been putting them in there. And the first day she sent me the wooden sleds. And I made them into Scott and Tina. And she sent me some spiders. So I glued a spider in here. It's like kind of weird, but I thought it was kind of cool. And I explain all that up here. So I write about what the pictures are about. And then day 2, you know, when I had the kids, the grandkids every day, I had more to kind of journal about. So there might be days where I just do me cleaning or something, a picture referring to housekeeping, cleaning. This one is, and this year what's fun is I actually have like Sabrina's gifts every day. I can snap a picture, develop them. And usually why I did weekly is I wait enough to be able to fill a whole sheet of paper to print. So on day 2 is Sabrina's little gifts. I finished decorating a Christmas tree and I wrote about it. And then I just have a little cluster with a snowflake. And then Friday, me and Diamond, we went and seen Charlie Burns. He's a local comedian from Wisconsin. And Diamond, that was my Christmas present from Diamond, to go see him. He was so funny. We had such a good time. And then I took a picture of Sabrina Gifts. And that's Diamond and I there. And I just put a little hats on us. And that's him. And me and Diamond always say to each other, tell your folks I say hi. And then his tour was Midwest Survival Guide Tour. So I got that off Google and I put it there and I wrote about our night. We had dinner, we went to the show. It was such a fun night. Diamond and I had such a good time. And then this one is the Christmas gifts from Sabrina. And then Sabrina's mom sent me the towels. So I kind of took pictures and wrote about that. And then on day 5, which was the last day of the week for me, is I woke up to snow. So I took a picture of my outside. Poor Mickey got snow. This is looking down toward my father-in-law's. And it's snow covered. And then Sabrina sent me a Barbie head. And she said something you can creep out next holiday. So I took a picture of that and put it in there. I could actually take the original off the box. I thought about it after I did it. I'm like, oh, I should. It's still sitting here. I was like, I could have took the original note in there, and I'm still may just tape it in here. So that is my week. Well, not quite a week because how the first landed on Wednesday, so it's not quite a week for this week. But then the rest, I already have the pages papered. See, and I just build onto them. And see, here's the back cover of the chipboard. And so that is the 1st through the 5th of my week. Or half a week, I should say. Half a week. But it'll get busier because, let's see, I think I have something going on with a grandkid this week or the following week. You know, it all depends. You know, like I said, when I had the grandkids, but I look back at the first year I did it, I had the grandkids every day after school, so there was something they'd do, and I'd take a picture and I could journal more about it. Where now, like, I'll have Coda Bear tomorrow night into Wednesday, and I'll kind of take a picture of Coda Bear, and I'll put that in there. And, like, you know, with Allie and me, and then Diamond and I, and there's stuff coming up that I'll take pictures of with the family. And most of the time, like this, I'll be journaling about what I got from Sabrina. And like if I, like I finished putting my Christmas tree up, I might say, you know, put in there, I decorated my kitchen or so forth, you know. But I always say to the kids, this is memories. You can see what I did during a week, or even it's like right here. Will Allie remember this of her and I at the pancake house making this foamy faces with our hot chocolate? Probably not. But she may look back when she's in her 20s and go, oh my God, look what Nana and I did. God, she was so funny. I'm talking about after I'm gone or even still alive, you know. But I think these are so cool to have for the family to look through and generations. Maybe Allie's children will look back and go, God, your grandma was weird, Mom, you know. But it's a memory thing. So I thought I'd just share like I do. I just do them simple. I don't, you know, some pages, like usually on the 24th and the 25th, I end up using more than one page because there's so much going on. Like the 18th, that's our PJ annual Nana and Papa sleepover, and we exchange PJs, which we're not exchanging this year because with the fact that Scott and Sam both missed a week and a half of work, we decided just to exchange we buy those onesie pajamas that, like, Scott got the Grinch one year, I got a moose one year, a cow, elf, a turkey. They're those funny type of pajamas. So what we did this year is Diamond's neighbor's going to wrap them up. All the ones, we only wear them one night. We're going to wrap them up. She's going to wrap them up, and she's going to number them. And then we're going to put our name or our numbers in a fishbowl or whatever, and we're going to pick out a number, and that's the one we have to wear for PJ. Nana and Papa's PJ sleep, or Nana and Papa's slumber party this year, because with missing almost 2 weeks of work, makes an impact on the check, I tell you, especially when they don't pay, companies don't pay you for COVID anymore like they did the first year. We decided not to exchange the pajamas this year, but still have the party and do that instead. And then next year we'll go back to buying the funky pajamas. But so that's coming up on the 18th. So that may be a 2-page layout, you know, and so forth. Like Christmas Eve ends up being a 2-page layout. Christmas Day ends up being a 2-page layout. Depending what we're doing on that, you know, that certain day, I might end up using 2 pages, you know. So I'm going to let you go. I hope you enjoyed seeing this. I like enjoying it. Like I said, I wasn't going to do it this year, and Diamond's like, "Oh, Mom, but I like looking through them," because Diamond will grab them. Like she grabbed the last 3 I did. She thought they were so neat looking back and seeing how the kids changed from December, 1 year to the next December and the next December. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas, everybody, and bye for now.